Welcome to my second YouTube Bitcoin technical analysis. I'm happy to be back. I first of all want to thank you all for your very kind feedback in the comments section. This is really supportive and gave me reasons to do another video. And I also improved in my audio quality with a new microphone. I went to the store to get a professional microphone, so my voice is more clearly, and I'm excited to do this second video analysis for you guys. Let's get in. Bitcoin obviously is in a downwards trend since April 5th. It didn't go up as I expected in my first video to test the upper downwards trend line, the yellow one you can see here. But I was right with the incoming significant volatility. You can see here below it did break out of that trend line, volume trend line, I'm gonna call it, and we went for another correction. This is not so bad actually, and the good point by this current ongoing and further correction Bitcoin is going through is I spotted a bullish divergence. This is positive, guys. So I'm really looking forward into this new week for an uprising Bitcoin because I'm still expecting it. You can see here the blue downwards trend line with lower lows, which is signaling and showing us a bullish divergence. Why? When you go down on the RSI 14, you can see that trend line in blue. It's going upwards. So the buying pressure is creating like higher lows. With the current one, it went a little bit lower than here, you can see, but that's not worrying me at all because a bullish divergence is still valid. So I'm expecting a trend reversal very soon. And I think it's imminent. You can already see here at the new 4-hour candle that it might turn already here to the upwards, to the upside. Excuse me, and I'm hoping for this move to happen next. Another reason why I'm expecting a bounce from here is the stock RSI, which is close to the bottom level at 20. It's currently moving at 25. So this is also helping to build new buying pressure from here. So what I actually can see kicking in here is something like that. I'm gonna show you a arrow path. Bouncing at that downwards trend line, which is in blue. Like Bitcoin going up to shortly test the resistance level at $42,400. Maybe get a short rejection there to bounce off the support level 42,000 and then go for another push to at least test the resistance level at 43,600. if not 44,050, to say the least. Of course, it also could touch the upper downwards trend line, which is in yellow, to get rejected one more time here. And this is actually what I'm expecting to come into this week, towards this new week. Why? Simply because when we go to the daily chart of Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is falling below the MA50 on the daily. And as you can see, this upwards trend line here is showing us how low Bitcoin could actually fall down to test its support. And this is just right about 39,000, as you can see here. It may be a little bit higher, like 39,250, but this should be somewhere around the maximum pain coming. Nevertheless, I have some hope because Bitcoin has closed the weekly candle yesterday above the moving average MA50. This is actually a good sign to me, so it gives me some hope that we really can see that bounce, my expected bounce by Bitcoin heading into this new week. What is also signaling for maybe some more correction towards end of this week into the next week is when you go to the MACD on the daily, we are still quite in the plus, like around 384. I'd say so. This might be another reason why Bitcoin could go for some more correction towards end of this week, beginning of next week. So this is definitely an indicator to watch. But on the 4-hour time frame, LTF, I'm really expecting a bounce here, as I already drawn in. So we can finally see that upwards push I was looking for already in my last and very first video. So I'm really positive from here, despite the market looks pretty red. We have one cryptocurrency which is standing out, is Zilliqa, is pushing, and this is helping for the whole market when we see some cryptocurrencies to perform well in this red phase. So yes, guys, that was it. My second technical analysis for Bitcoin on YouTube. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to my next one. I want you to remind you of my Patreon content. Feel free to check it out, patreon.com/dumpscrypto. You have different membership levels which you can join, up to the VIP Patreon, which you can have one-on-one chats each and every month with me directly, or you just start with the Gold Patreon, which includes Bitcoin forecasts and updates. I'm sharing my portfolio every week, once a week. You can also find educational articles which are very helpful. Also, I have written some blogs about how to create passive income with cryptocurrencies. And when you go over to a higher level, premium Patreon, you will get exclusive access to my Telegram community to chat with. What my Telegram also does include are trade signals, which I'm posting sometimes, not every day, but when I see some real opportunities. So I really want my members to make as much as possible money and not to lose, of course. And what I'm having also included are Telegram alerts. They are automated directly out of my Telegram, my TradingView charts, which are also very helpful to stay on track what is happening on the market. And of course, very good content, in my personal opinion. Also the feedback I got by crypto passionate people, which are my members, loyal members. They are enjoying my hidden gems, which I'm doing professional kind of reviews with a rating system included and my personal thoughts, of course. And I can add to this my last and 25th hidden gem I wrote has gone up over 100%, and it's still holding. It's very stable, so I'm very glad it's a successful hidden gem. So yeah, that's about it. I hope to see you soon. And thank you for watching. And of course, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. See you.